Okay, good morning students. Now here we are going to see how to write an application or a complaint letter. Now here we have taken the example of a sample letter and let us see the different parts of this letter and let us try to understand the format of the letter and also the body of the letter and the content of the letter. So please pay attention and listen to each and everything that is being discussed here. Now first we start with the question. Now the question says, write a letter to the police commissioner of your city drawing his or her attention to the menace of hawkers outside your school. Tell him or her what dangers they pose and offer solutions for their rehabilitation. Now the letter will carry 10 marks and here is the sample answer. First and foremost, we write our own address and it should be a complete address. As we can see, flat 236, block C, Hillcrest View Apartments, Salem Street, Kunur 756026. Now notice that the address is written with punctuation marks. So you must remember to put commas and you must remember to put the hyphen, and also when you write the pin code you must leave a little bit of gap between the first 3 digits and the last 3 digits of the pin code and end your address with a full stop. Then you should leave a line and then write the date. Now date has to be written the way it is written here, 23rd April 2020. Now see, date has been written in words. Don't mention the word DATE, just write the digits 2 and 3 followed by RD and then April with capital A, put a comma, then 2020 and put a full stop. Then leave one more line and then come to the address of the addressee, that is the person to whom the letter is being sent. So you write the designation, the police commissioner, followed by police commissioner's office, 6 Cavalry Road, Kunur, again hyphen, again 785 pin code, space 003. This space is compulsory. Then put a full stop. Remember to put comma at the end of each line and also after the digit of the address, 6 Cavalry Road. Now we come to salutation, that is how to begin the letter. It can be dear sir, it can be sir, it can be dear sir or ma'am if you already know that the police commissioner is a lady. If not, then you can simply write dear sir. Then the next line is your subject. You see, subject is written and then after writing the subject, leave a line, start with the first paragraph. First paragraph should point towards the content of the letter. So make sure that when you write the first paragraph, it should be brief and it should say something about the topic of the letter. Then you have 3 subsequent paragraphs and in these paragraphs you have discussed whatever problems you are facing because of the hawkers, and the last paragraph in particular talks about the solution that you suggest which can be taken by the authorities so that the menace of these hawkers can be solved. And then come to thanking you. Thanking you is compulsory when you are writing any official letter. Then put a comma and leave a line and then yours faithfully or yours truly, and then full name has to be written in running handwriting followed by full name within brackets in block letters. So that's how you write an official letter. This is a letter of complaint and this is also the format for writing any kind of application. So thank you very much.